Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the U button at the bottom right. And when you land on this kind of interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see guys there's a settings option available for us, or the gear icon available for us at the top right. Tap on that and tap on the general option available for us over here at the top of the list, and you land over here. Now you can see guys over here where it says the zoom to fill screen just above uploads. Now in order to enable zoom to fill on YouTube, make sure that the toggle icon at the right side of that option is turned on like this, on blue. And with that being done guys, zoom to fill on your YouTube app will be enabled. And so guys, this is how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.